game called Run. It's basically it looks something like this. So you basically have this sort of like tunnel which you have to go through, and if you hit a wall, then the gravity changes. So it looks like this. I made this little version of it with auto-generated levels. So you can see it's just, I can just run around, jump around, and the gravity changes if I hit a wall, so that it becomes the floor. Wait, I died? Well, apparently I did. Anyway, so it starts with... So this version starts with 5% empty space, and then it increases by 5% every time you complete a level. Except for the first 4 tiles. They are always floors, because otherwise the player would just die immediately. Okay, so there we go. Every 3 levels, the color also changes. So now it's blue. I can change gravity. There we go. Okay, so now it's cyan. It's 20% difficulty. Okay. 25%? See, it's starting to get a bit complicated here. %. 35%? So you can see the color changed to green. Okay, there we go. %. 45%.
Are you gonna record the whole thing?
I mean, maybe, but because I didn't actually get all the way to the end, which is 80%. My level generation is just random right now, so I'm gonna need to actually guarantee that the levels will be possible.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
But how do you like guarantee that?
It could be as simple as like, if there's a tile, which is, oh, okay, we're at 50% now, so the color changed. So it could be as simple as like, if there's a tile, then a tile like a few spaces after it has to be a floor.
Don't go with floor because that's a thing.
I'm calling them floors and like, what are the other ones? Holes? I guess so. Yeah, it's my first 3D game. Well, okay, I did make 3D projects before, but I didn't make any 3D games.
Wait, is this the next level already?
This is 60%. 65% it changes to orange. So yeah.
You should really add a full animation. Because that would just that's what it touches a hole.
Yeah, I should. I should also make it so that the player can like choose
What happened there?
the difficulty, any difficulty up to the
Yeah.
difficulty which they already have. Okay, so you can play this, link in the description. We have recorded some other footage once of me like actually coding, part of it. Yeah, that comes next. Bye. So I do need to make the player actually, die when it goes through a hole because, yeah, that'd be nice.
Well, the computer doesn't know that they're holes. It just thinks that they're black.
No, because if you go outside of the tunnel. I'm starting to use like run terminology all of a sudden. Because if you go if you go outside the level, it actually visualizes them as holes, which you can actually like look through the tiles with. Not as okay. By the way, I can change the I can change the difficulty here, so I can like make it like 9.5 to make it really
Easy.
yeah. Wait, I didn't. Okay, wait, yeah.
It looks.
Okay, I can make it like 0.2 to make it really difficult. Yeah, you can
Well,
see.
difficult. You can't even fall. So.
Well, yeah, if you could fall, then this would be really difficult.
Would it be like? But make falling possible.
By the way, fun fact: in Run 1, one of the levels was actually a randomly generated level, but sort of cleaned up. Let's actually implement it dying. So
We should also have a full animation instead of just the level resetting.
if tiles index, so the Z is this dot, so it's the Z, but divided by 100, which is the width of the tiles, and then index this dot X divided by 100. Except the X is in the center. So I'm going to need to add 2. Pretty sure. Okay, so then we can do this dot z. And we can do this dot. Well, we're going to need to reset it. Well, okay, if this dot y is greater than 200, so it's like really like into there, then I think we're gonna make it die. So where did I initialize it? 51750. So this dot x equals 50, this dot y equals 175, this dot z equals 0. This code can be cleaned up, but yeah. Y speed should also be reset, so y speed should also be reset to 0. Oh, tiles is not defined. It's not tiles, it's ground. Category property 2.5 of undefined. I need to floor it. Okay, so let's make this in like I equals floor this dot c divided by 100.
Why are you calling it I?
And j is floor this dot x divided by 100 plus 2. Also, let's make the difficulty number quite easy, just so that I don't like accidentally fall. Category property 2 of undefined. Line 142. Ground. Wait, what? Why is it not working?
42?
That is so strange. Oh no, this should be plus 2. Still cannot read property 2 of undefined. Console.log ground. The ground is a big array. Ground index I. Undefined. Console log I itself. -1. What if I just start it a bit further into the level? So if I set z equal to 50. What if I just do
Wait, question mark? What does question mark in JavaScript mean?
Oh yeah, that doesn't. Oh, is that like a new feature? Okay.
What?
So if I is less than 0, then I'm just gonna do 1. Otherwise, then I'm gonna.
Not working.
Okay, so our death system is not actually working. So we're gonna need to do this.
Wait, what?
Oh, this has to be not. Of course.
Wait, what?
0.
Also, are we still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. So now we do this.
Yeah, this
Wait,
is not
what?
working.
What? Wait, let's just console log. Maybe false. Let's console log this value.
What is question mark in JavaScript?
So this is the ternary operator. So basically, if this is true, it gives me this. Otherwise, it gives me this. False, 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 false. Still false. Okay, that doesn't work. Wait, what is I? Oh, it's negative! Of course! So I actually need to negate this. So now,
It does do strange movements.
yeah, because, yeah, so now it resets to the beginning of the level. So if the hole is too small, then the gravity is kind of weak. And so it falls through the hole, but
If you just
then it reaches before it has a chance to like reach the point where it dies, it already reaches a normal tile and it gets reset back up.
if we make the
I
level
think that's what
harder for a sec,
Yeah, let's make the level a bit harder. Like 0.7.
7D, that's 7.
Yeah, so now it's a bit harder.
But holes still don't really work.
Yeah, I need to make the gravity a bit stronger because
Even stronger?
yeah, because otherwise it's gonna reach a normal tile before it has the chance to die. So
Has a chance to die.
So I'm gonna make it 0.3, 0.5, just to see. Okay, yeah. Okay, so so there's this little like death zone below the runner. Over like which is like a little bit below it. And it has a little bit of time to reach it.
Wait, is is that an optical illusion? There's an illusion that the level's like building up.
No, it's the other part of the level is just getting clipped.
What does clipped mean?
It just means that it's not being rendered because the 3D renderer is too lazy to render stuff, which is so far away that the user can't see it. But except for the fact that the user can see it in this case, so that's a bit of a problem.